If you are interested in growing your YouTube channel or are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, then I have 6 YouTubers you should follow. YouTube is an ocean of content, and in my opinion, these channels are worth checking out. I follow all these guys and have taken their advice to help grow my channel. Their advice has been invaluable. Stay tuned to the end and I'll share some tips that helped me grow. So, let's get into it. Number 1, Think Media. You've probably heard of this channel. It's run by a gentleman called Sean Cannell. He is one of the original YouTubers and has been putting out content for years. He has expanded into different channels, but this one covers topics on how to grow your channel, as well as how to produce content from filming and editing tips to camera reviews, microphone and lighting reviews. I don't know if there are bigger channels in this sector, but this one has to be one of the biggest. He has over 750 videos with 1 million subscribers, so his advice comes from a real place. Think Media posts new videos daily and will have you covered for YouTube tips, filming, strategy and gear. This is a great place to start if you want to learn the YouTube game. This list is in no particular order, but number 2 is Roberto Blake. He appeared in my recommendations and I've been a subscriber ever since. He is a content creator and public speaker, and that shows because he can speak really well. His videos are packed with value and he doesn't repeat himself, so you can easily watch a 20-minute video all the way through without feeling that you wasted time. One of the main things he likes to emphasize is not to trade time for money, and he posts a lot of business related content and videos about how you can monetize your channel. I find a lot of value from these types of videos. This is good stuff once you start to get traction on YouTube and the views are coming in. He also has solid advice on affiliate marketing and creating passive income for yourself. His videos are geared more towards creative entrepreneurs, and if you make YouTube videos, then that would be yourself. Number 3, CATHRIN Manning. I started following her channel last year when it used to be called The Content Bug, and I've seen her channel blow up on YouTube. She recently surpassed over 200,000 subscribers and has documented her journey from the start. She offers a lot of tips on how to grow your channel by showing you how she grew her channel and what she learned. I believe she started posting videos on Instagram, Pinterest and blogging, but now her main focus is YouTube tips. Her most popular videos are on how to start your YouTube channel and how to get monetized. She is also very candid about how much she earns, with regular videos revealing her YouTube income. Her journey has been quite inspiring and I like watching her videos because they are well edited and well produced. Another YouTuber I follow is DERRAL. He is a YouTube and video marketing consultant. If you want to understand how the YouTube algorithm works, then this guy is worth following. He also goes into detail on how to use data to consistently grow your channel. Useful if you want to understand the YouTube metrics. Something I discovered recently is that he also has another channel called Creative Disruption with Ricky Ray Butler. On this channel they do interviews with other YouTubers. I watched a few of their videos and there are some really interesting stories about how other YouTubers got started and how they blew up. This is great because you can learn from other people's successes and failures. The channel is called Creative Disruption. Check it out. It's only got 2,000 subscribers now, but I'm sure it will grow exponentially over the coming months and years. If you want to take your channel to the next level, then NIMMIN has got you covered. As well as the usual YouTube tips to help you grow, his channel also covers a lot of valuable tools to create better content on YouTube. He has tutorials on video editing software, live streaming, screen recording and YouTube apps. He delivers content in a clear way with no fluff. He also goes quite fast, which I like and which I also do, but I get some comments saying that I go too fast. I'm sure he'll get the same, but luckily YouTube has a playback speed option so you can slow it down if you need to. Nick has over 400 videos on YouTube and video tips, so there will be something you can learn from him. Number 6, last but not least, is DUBE. I don't know how to pronounce her surname, sorry. She's kind of like a new kid on the block. Her channel is about how to grow from the ground up, and she also documents her progress on YouTube. She's the only one on the list with less than 100,000 subscribers, but provides brilliant advice on all aspects of running her channel. Plus her work ethic is insane, practically daily videos. So even though I don't watch all her videos, when I see one in the feed, I feel like I have to work harder in life just to keep up. Thank you, Annie, for the inspiration and advice, and keep producing great content. As promised, here are my tips to help you grow your channel. Tip number 1, plan your content. You need to research and plan your posts. I post content that helps people with specific issues, and I try to post content that has a mass appeal. You need to figure out what would appeal to people in your niche and make videos around that. Once I have ideas, I use a free note-taking app called Notion. Here I store my YouTube post ideas. I have a content calendar set up. You can find it in templates, under marketing, then select content calendar. The first column is ideas. The middle column are posts that I'm currently researching and writing scripts for. The third column is completed posts. The good thing about Notion is that it is all online, so I have it on my phone and laptop and it syncs it automatically. You can then click and drag the post from idea to in progress as you move towards completion. Once I have the post ideas, then I need to research them. That's where TubeBuddy comes in handy. Tip 2 is keyword research using TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension for YouTubers. However, it does have paid versions which unlocks more features. I currently have the TubeBuddy Pro license, which gives me unlimited access to the Keyword Explorer. The Keyword Explorer allows you to find phrases and tags people are searching for on YouTube. You can then use these in your titles, descriptions and tags to get more impressions. I'll show you how I use it now. Click on Keyword Explorer under Tools. Then search for keywords related to the video you are making. If I search for Canva tutorial, it will give me a score for this keyword based on search volume, competition and other metrics. This score is quite low. On the right, it will give you related keywords that you can investigate. Canva tutorial is way too generic, that's why it's poor. However, if I expand it and write Canva tutorial how to make a logo, this comes up as excellent. If we click on unweighted, we can see this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. Click on the weighted tab above to see how your specific channel will likely perform for this keyword. So for my channel specifically, this gets 86 out of 100 compared to 75. So for this one, this is a video idea that I can work on. So what I'll do now is add this key phrase to my list of video ideas in Notion. TubeBuddy is free, but paid versions unlock more features. I have the paid version. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to sign up. I've just been accepted as a TubeBuddy affiliate, so if you sign up using my link, I will get a cut of the sale at no extra cost to you. Feel free to support this channel if you wish. I only recommend software that I use myself. Tip 3. Make compelling thumbnails. Thumbnails are important because you want to get as many clicks as possible. YouTube uses the click-through rate as a ranking factor, so if your video is clicked on more often compared to other videos, YouTube will suggest it to more people and put it higher in the rankings for the relevant keywords. I use Canva for this because it's quick and easy and they have free stock photos built in. There is plenty of advice on YouTube about how to make good thumbnails. Check them out or check out my video on how to make thumbnails using Canva. If you have Photoshop, you could easily use that, or you could use Photopea, which is a free Photoshop clone. Tip 4. Share your videos on social platforms. The work shouldn't stop once you've posted the video. You need to give it a little push to get initial traction, and hopefully the YouTube algorithm will take it from there. Facebook groups and Reddit are two great ones. I'm a fan of using Reddit. There are loads of subreddits related to YouTube where you can post your videos. Make sure you follow the subreddit rules. Some subreddits won't allow you to post until you have a certain amount of karma. Karma is basically the sum of all your likes and dislikes on everything you post. So you get 1 karma for each like and -1 karma for each dislike on a post. Different subreddits have different rules on posting, So if you make a post and it's not approved, don't worry, just forget about it and try another subreddit. Make sure it's related to the video you're posting. Also, a lot of subreddits only allow you to post once a week, so make sure you don't spam. If you don't have a Reddit account already, sign up and start building up karma, because some subreddits won't let you post if your account is less than 30 days old or if you have less than 50 karma. So it's important to start building up your karma now by posting comments on other people's posts, giving feedback. Don't just go in straight away and start posting your YouTube videos everywhere. You have to start engaging with the community first. Plus, if you did that, your posts probably won't make it through the automatic filters. To summarize, 1. Plan your content. Make mass appeal content. 2. Optimize your videos, titles, descriptions, and tags using TubeBuddy to get more views. 3. Make good thumbnails to increase click-through rate. 4. Promote your videos on social media. I support everyone hustling, grinding, creating content, learning, or growing. Anyone with a YouTube channel, I salute you. I know there are plenty of other YouTube type YouTubers out there, so I might have to make a follow-up video. Let me know in the comments if there's anyone you think I should check out. I don't know these people and they don't know me. I'm just sharing their channels because I like them and they secretly helped me to find focus, purpose, and enjoyment on this YouTube game. Action beats inaction every time, so whilst I recommend you watch these channels, it's important not to get caught up in analysis paralysis. I used to do it, just watching loads of videos and not actually making any. Now I'm trying to create more than I consume. However, saying that, these channels have helped me figure out my own strategy and get me in the right mindset. Hopefully you found value in this video. If you did, please drop a comment and like. Also subscribe if you want to. I have more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for following along with me, and I'll chat to you guys in the comments.